Well, you don't have to look far to see the ongoing trade dispute between the U.S. and China is impacting households in KELOLAND. Just check the cupboards in your kitchen.
Cocoa companies that build those cabinets are calling out China for harming their industry. KELOLAND's Perry Groten looks at how one Harrisburg manufacturer is being impacted.
Well, Angela and Brady, members of the American Kitchen Cabinet Alliance are calling on the International Trade Commission and the U.S. Commerce Department to take tough action on China. They say China, by subsidizing its kitchen cabinet products, has unfairly been muscling its way into U.S. markets. And now they're calling on U.S. Senator Mike Rounds to help make their case.
Workers at Showplace Cabinetry turn out more than 600 cabinets a day at their 2 plants in Harrisburg. At Showplace, they take the Made in America brand seriously.
We buy American products. Over 95% of what we buy is made here in America, and that's the way it is.
While Showcase has been growing as a company through the years, it's troubled by a recent dip in sales.
Our business is not as strong this year as it was a year ago, and that's something we want to address.
Manufacturers like Showplace say China for years has been flooding the market with their cheap cabinets, lowering demand for U.S.-made cabinets. Their grievances against China have the attention of lawmakers on Capitol Hill.
In many cases, they have flaunted international law, and they have taken the approach that not only do they want those advantages, but they have treated their trading partners with disdain and with disrespect.
Showplace is always looking to hire new workers, but the company says those job openings could become more scarce in the future if China keeps flooding the market with their cabinets.
So if that continues, yeah, I would be concerned about layoffs.
U.S. manufacturers have filed a trade lawsuit seeking long-term tariffs on Chinese-made cabinets. Allen acknowledges that levying more tariffs on China can be a flashpoint in the already tense trade standoff between the two nations. But he says tariffs are necessary to protect cabinet-making jobs here.
Made in America has to mean something. It has to start meaning something, or there's going to be a lot less things made in America.
Now, Allen expects a final decision on their trade lawsuit next February or March, but another group of U.S. cabinet makers who assemble cabinets made in China is against the lawsuit, saying it will lead to higher prices for customers.